Boom, MCC Hun. Let's rewind to this morning. These hungry, giant combine harvesters swallowed tens of thousands of corn stalks in the blink of an eye. Regardless of the terrain, the 9RX's heavy-duty track system turns muddy soil into a smooth asphalt highway. Look at the sheer power of this header. It's nothing short of a sweeping assembly line. And of course, the logistics have to be top tier, with a fleet of shiny chrome semi-trucks waiting at the edge of the woods. How do they coordinate so flawlessly? The answer is global GPS tracking. The machine tails perfectly, calculating every single inch to prepare for a mid-air refueling maneuver that's as precise as a fighter jet. The massive mechanical arm extends. Are you ready to witness a golden rain? Release. Tons of solid gold kernels pour out relentlessly. Two giant machines run side by side, maintaining absolute synchronized speed. One missed beat and thousands of dollars could vanish into thin air. A roaring stream of corn quickly fills up the massive spinny truck. This level of mechanical productivity will give anyone watching absolute goosebumps. Fierce and engulfed in dust. After receiving enough ammo, the grain carts actively break formation, smoothly falling back to the rear lines. It's a closed loop with not a single wasted second. Every single stalk is stripped clean. The fleets march proudly, turning dirty, manual farm work into a masterpiece of mechanical art. The cycle continues non-stop. A full load departs, and another tractor comes roaring in. The field left behind is as straight as if it were drawn with a ruler. Under the harsh sun, these green machines continue to roar with pride. The lingering dust only adds to the rugged, unbeatable vibe of the world's most advanced agricultural system. As night falls, the giant header obediently folds up, but the game is far from over. They begin their march in the twilight, moving on to a brand new battlefield. Darkness descends. The entire fleet lights up simultaneously, gearing up for an unbelievable shift that shatters every rule about working hours. Super bright LED systems tear through the thick night. These armored beasts are only now truly showing off their 24/7 dominance. Who said farming was just slow and peaceful? Look at that digital scale jumping non-stop. Tens of thousands of tons of crops are being harvested straight through the night, just in time to hit the global supply chain by morning. A massive money-printing machine, pretty insane, right? When the pitch-black night surrounds us, the silence seems to swallow the field whole. Think it's all over? Not quite. The massive machine stands patiently, like a steadfast guard waiting for a secret signal in the dark. Boom! Blinding lights pierce the night like a spaceship just landed. The two beasts reunite. The blazing headlights turn the pitch-black field into a literal cinematic stage. Technology has reduced the barrier of time to absolute zero spectacular, isn't it? An epic, last-minute twist. You'd think the pace would slow down, but the giant truck pulls a masterfully slick turn, rushing in to catch the final pouring waterfall of gold. Absolutely not a single second wasted. Every kernel sparkles under the Hypershare lights, filling the trailer right up to the brim. Every cubic meter harvested isn't just food. It's the ultimate proof of an economic master plan, a mechanical system calculated down to the millimeter. Do you crave to master a money-making system like this? Slowly, the roaring engines fade into a gentle hum. The armored giants finally close their eyes for a quick nap in the middle of nowhere. A crazy campaign comes to an end, resting up so they can roar back to life at tomorrow's dawn.